Welcome, here I've got Nokia 8.1 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner. And it gives us access to the advanced camera settings. Now we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and here we have the resolution. So let's tap on this. As you can see, we can pick the back camera photo resolution and front camera photo resolution. So for now, let's focus on the back camera photo. When we tap on this, we can easily manage this, and we can pick the ratio connected with the quality of the picture. So we have 4:3 ratio, which is now with 12 megapixels or 8 megapixels or 5, so this is connected. We have also 16:9 ratio. We can add here 9 megapixels or 8 megapixels. So let's pick 9 for example, and let's go back to the camera preview. So this is how it changes here. This is a little bit longer than 4:3. And when we tap on the settings again and go back to the resolution and pick the back camera, we can also pick the 18:9 resolution with 8 megapixels. So let's go again to the camera preview. So this is the full screen ratio of this camera. And this is how it changes here. The same thing we have in the front camera, so when we tap on this we can manage this. The difference is that this is the better quality in megapixels here. So we have also the ratios 4:3, 16:9 and 18:9, and this is connected here with the better quality than in the back camera. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.